Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas and Welding Supply. We're here for day 2 of Miller Roadshow in Monroe, Michigan. I'm here with our rep, Mark Lopez. He's going to do a little walkthrough, give us what each machine is on the Roadshow event. Mark, thanks for coming out. I really appreciate it.
Andrew, I appreciate you guys having us here. My name's Mark Lopez with Miller Electric. I'm a local industrial district manager. I support Baker's Gas as one of our leading distributors in the business here. So today we're going to show you what we have on the truck, and we've got a lot of equipment. I encourage you to come out. There's a lot to see, a lot of Miller folks here, a lot of technical questions can be answered, and you can learn to do a little bit of welding at the same time. So first and foremost, we'll start off with our plasma machines. We've got a couple plasma machines, Spectrum 375, a 625, and an 875. These are great little machines. They can cut a lot of thick material at a rapid rate. Moving down here, we've got a few TIG machines, a CST 280, very common in the shipbuilding and construction business. Home hobby machine, a Diversion 180. We've got a Maxstar 161 STH, which is a small high frequency DC TIG welding machine. A Maxstar 280, a Dynasty 280, which is an AC/DC TIG stick machine. Here we've got a water-cooled Dynasty 280, which is again a stick TIG machine. Pipeworks 400, which is a fantastic pipe welding machine, definitely the best in the industry. We have a Pipeworks 350 Field Pro, which is the field version, smaller condensed version of our Pipeworks 400. Continuum 500 here is our new advanced MIG welding machine, very amazing machine. Aluma Power 350 MPA, which is a aluminum specific, very popular in the truck trailer business, boat business. Envision 352 MPA, which is a all-purpose MIG machine. Flux core, metal core, solid wire, stainless wire, aluminum, very diverse machine. XMT 350 Field Pro with arc reach. Arc reach is a new technology we have where you can actually have a feeder at a certain distance away from your power source. You no longer need a separate remote cable. You can actually use a weld cable to communicate back to your power source, so there's no need to go back to your power source, adjust your voltage. You can do it all through a voltage sensing feeder as long as it's an arc reach feeder with an arc reach power source. Very good technology. Smaller home hobby type machines, we got the new Multimatic 215, which is a multi-process MIG, DC TIG, and stick welding machine. The Multimatic 200, which is its predecessor here in a suitcase, great for maintenance, RMO, field type work because of the durable suitcase. Down below we've got two Mutimatic 211s, which is actually Miller's most popular selling machine. So we've got one set up to run aluminum and one to set up to run steel. Inside the truck, actually we've got a couple more over here. So here's another very popular machine, which is a Mutimatic 350P. This is the smallest pulse welding machine that you can buy, kind of an entry level, but still industrial grade. On the back side here, we actually have a Mutimatic 252, which again is one of our most popular selling machines. Mutimatic 212, which is a larger version of the Mutimatic 211, runs a longer duty cycle, so you can actually weld for a longer period of time on thicker material. And last but not least, a Mutimatic 350P aluminum, which is a 350P that has a little bit different features than our standard 350P. The aluminum has a little bit different driving motor that helps the feedability in aluminum. And then next we'll go upstairs. And up here we've got a few TIG welding machines. TIG welding, the process itself is not very good to do outside because it is very temperamental. If you get any kind of wind or breeze and it blows your gas away, you are going to have issues with your weld. So here we've got a Dynasty 210. This is probably a Maxstar 210. Actually, nope, this is another Dynasty. Diversion 180, we've got a small Filtair 130, which is a very small shop version type fume extracting system. Helps keeps the fume out of the shop so you don't get a real smoky environment. Dynasty 400, and last but not least we have a Synchrowave 210, which is actually a full purpose multi-process welding machine. AC TIG, DC TIG, DC stick, along with MIG process through a spool gun. So that is a 100% full multi-process machine.
Very cool.
And here we have it. We've got some static displays. On hot days, this is a great place to be. It's air conditioned. and a lot of people hang out. But as we move into the fall, the temperature's dropping, but still a fun place to hang out at.
So Mark, as you're traveling around with the Miller Roadshow, what is the most popular station outside to see or weld with? What do the people like to do?
I think people really don't get a lot of opportunities to TIG weld, and TIG welding is a process that I think a lot of people have a high interest in but are afraid to do. So it's a good opportunity to come down, try it out. We'll show you the basics of it, and after that it's all practice, practice, practice.
Very cool.
Outside of that, aluminum welding, people get pretty freaked out about aluminum welding, but it's really not that different. A lot of it has to do with the prep work and just educating a person the importance of the prep work before you start welding aluminum.
Missing that isn't in Miller's lineup as far as machine sets. What is missing off this trailer here?
Every year we try to come out with some new equipment, and towards the end of this year there's going to be some new items out there. Of course, we all know the buzz about the Multimatic 220.
Yep.
That will be coming out towards the end of Q4, which will be in the December timeframe, probably a full launch in early January.
Okay.
But we're pretty excited about it. I think you guys are excited about it.
Absolutely.
And I think based on our Instagram post, a lot of folks are looking forward to it. We will generally not release a product until it is tried and true, and it releases into the market problem-free.
Okay, very cool. So thanks guys for watching our video for day 2 on the Miller Roadshow. Thanks Mark again for showing up this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Oh yeah, no, and please leave all your comments below, questions we may have. We'll try and get them answered for you guys. Thanks
Thank
again.
you.
All right, thanks for watching our video, you guys, and special thanks to Miller. If you missed the fun, you can always go online at bakersgas.com. All these machines are for sale. Thanks again for watching.